YouTube and welcome to Art's Eye Lovely Scent. And on today, I'm going to be showing you this wig that I had bought a couple months back. I actually bought two wigs. It was 2 for $20 at my local beauty supply store. So I'm like, well, you can't beat that 2 for $20. So this wig is normally $19.99, but I caught it on sale. Like I said, 2 for $20. So I had to get it. So the other wig was the Taraji wig, but this one is the Arianne wig. And as you can see, it comes in a couple colors. One be your typical colors, and then it has a couple colors. I actually got the one with the 30 wig, and I actually used to wear colors tracks and braid my hair with the 30. So I'm actually kind of excited to see how it looks on me. As you can see, I'm going to be trying out both styles, which is just wearing it down. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to put some in a ponytail and some down. So I am going to open it up so you can see how it comes. So it's fresh out the box. This is how she comes. This is the tag with the instructions on the back. She does come with combs. So you have 2 on the side and you have 1 in the back. So I'm about to put all of this to the side, and I'm gonna try this bad boy on. Don't need those in there. She feels good. She feels like, it's soft and curly. I like that. This is fresh out the pack. So I don't want to do too much to it. When you first put it on. So this is her when you first take her out. And I'm liking this wig already. Like already. It's already complimenting my skin complexion. I'm loving it. And I haven't even done anything to it. So, Outre, I think you got a good one with this. I haven't seen a lot of reviews for this one. So, with this little braid, I know it's killing some of y'all, but I haven't seen a lot of reviews on this wig, and I don't know why, because this wig is really pretty. Let me see if I can do some blend magic, and I'll be right back. So, I'm back, and I put a little lip rouge on. I tried to blend in my hair as much as I could, but I am really loving the softness of these curls. Oh my goodness. It feels very lightweight and it's very soft. I know this for a fact. The more you wear this wig, or the older this wig gets, it's gonna have that very natural curl pattern to it. It's gonna feel like it's your hair. And it is your hair because you paid 24 or 19 or in my case $10 for this hair. So yes, this hair is very nice. Yes, Arianne, I am going to have to order you again. Yes, I'm gonna have to put that in the cart. Check. Yes, this is some good holiday hair, some good night on the town hair. This is some big diva hair. I love the different tones, like blonde tones in this. Y'all, I like this hair so much, I don't even want to put it in a ponytail. I'm like, I want to see how I look with the ponytail, but I am really, when I say I'm feeling this hair, I am feeling it, I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. And it's like, it gets to the point where I'm like, I will, you know, put a few layers in the hair to better frame my face, but I'm really loving this wig. I'm really loving it. I don't want to get it too big, but the more you play with it and tease it out, the bigger it will get. So I don't want it to get real big, but I'm really liking this. I'm really liking this. So let me try the some up and some down, and I'll come right back. Well, I'm back again, and I will say that this wig is fire. It is beautiful. Ariane, I like you. I think I have a girl crush. That Ariane, honey. Yeah, you're giving me life. I like this. Yes, honey. Yes, hunty. Look at it. Looking like it's coming straight out the scalp. Look at it. Look at that. Yes. I like her, honey. I likes. I likes. I don't have anything to say bad about her. No. You better not say anything about Arianne. Any bad, none but good. Cause if you can't see that this wig is cute, it's cute. It's cute. But seriously, you guys, I give this wig a 20. Forget a 10, a 20. I am in love with this wig. And not because of the Carol pattern, but I love this wig because it's very soft and it's very lightweight. It's very lightweight. I've done the two different styles. Only difference is that I didn't wrap it around. I don't want to wrap my hair around. I want to preserve the curls. And so I wanted a ponytail. And so I got my ponytail. All I would have to do is just hold this down with a scarf for about like 5-10 minutes to secure the waves, and I will be ready to go. So I am loving this. Like I said, online you can get this wig for $24.99 plus tax, or you can get it at your local beauty supply store. Every beauty supply store, it sells different, but I am so glad that I caught this on sale. But I definitely will spend $24.99 plus tax plus shipping to get one of these wigs, because it is very, very lightweight and it feels really good on my head. I forgot to tell you guys that it does come with attached strap to adjust to your head size. But this wig is so secure that I don't even need to even do that. I just put my combs where they need to be, and I put a couple hairpins and I'm good. Definitely will be trying to look up and find some more wigs that definitely fits me. You know, it's about getting the wig or getting the hair that fits you, and this, it fits me. This is definitely a lovely scent. So in love with this wig. I just can't stop combing the curls or touching the hair because it feels really good. So you guys, let me know what you think of this wig. Leave me a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And always, thanks for tuning in, my lovelies.